Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a photo collage in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, tap on the pictures tab at the bottom and then tap on the option key at the top. Then tap on create. Next tap on collage, and next select some of the videos or pictures that you want to use. You're allowed to select up to 6, so I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and then tap on the collage button at the bottom, and then you can choose a different size. So in here you got different size that you can select. It's a different style, so swipe across for different options. You can also choose the ratio of the picture, so it has a different ratios, different size right there. You can also choose the border color of the photo collage, yellow, and the size and the type or the style. 1:1 or 16:9, and you can also choose the size of the border as well, the size of the border and how round it is. And then after that we can save. So once you have made the changes, you can save. Now within this photo collage, you can also move it around. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can see I can zoom in or zoom out. I can also drag on the handle to resize the size of each individual box right here. So I can change that. I can resize it and change the size of the box. Now you can also remove an existing picture and replace it with another picture. And so in here I can select different pictures. And for that one there, I can delete, or I can tap on edit to edit the photos before adding it back to the picture collage. And after that, you can tap on the save button, and now you can go back to your gallery and you should be able to locate your new photo collage that you have generated. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.